Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're out on an island I actually never been on before, even though it's pretty close to where I live. Today we're hopefully going to do some landscape photography, but yeah, even right now there's a lot of small birds surrounding me, the close branches, so might turn into a wildlife photography, but that we will see. But yeah, hopefully you will enjoy this video. Starting right off with doing some wildlife. Wasn't what I had planned, but when opportunity strikes, you take it. I'm dialing in the settings because I wasn't prepared enough. Yeah. A lot of birds sitting all over the place here on these branches. All of them sitting pretty high up right now, but by standing here for a bit, they'll come down. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I hear more in that trees, at least 4 something. Don't quite see what they are because blinded by the sun right now, but yeah, hopefully get some backlit shots at least. Lucky for me, seem to be a bit further up the island, so yeah, gonna have my lens ready, so if I see them close by the path, I will be ready, because they seem to be quite used to humans, so probably won't scare them away just by walking close to them. So yeah, I guess this turned out to a wildlife video, so hope you're up for that. well, I can't stand here all day, so I'm gonna move on a bit. There will probably be about the same amount of birds on like most of the island. I don't know, but let's see if we can get a landscape shot maybe. You'll see. Just like two of something big up there, but I'm not sure if they're gonna stay on this island or land here, so snapped a shot of them, so I should be able to tell what they were in post, but if they come here, I will have a good day. Just a game of waiting with these blue tits here. Got some nice shot of them just a moment ago, but yeah, hopefully we'll get some better ones soon. Starting to get cold. The wind and the shadow here, so probably gonna move on a bit now, because yeah, the action has dialed down, so let's see if we find some more action. Another nice day in the outdoors. A bit of wind, but pretty pleasant anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. Got some quite nice shots, but yeah, the real pleasure is just being out in the outdoors. I love it, and I would like you to also try it, as I always say. But yeah, with that said, thanks for watching all the way to the end. Like, comment and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!